Are you looking for the top 5 barber chairs? Which one actually lasts in a busy shop? How much should you really spend on a barber chair? Because here's the thing, cheap ones break fast, but expensive ones don't always mean better. Some shops swear by budget stools. Others won't touch anything under $200. So what actually works? Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that barbers are actually buying right now.
Product number 1, Hubro Rolling Stool. First up, the Hubro Height Adjustable Rolling Stool at just $42.99. This isn't a full barber chair, it's more of a mobile assistant seat. What caught my eye was how many shops use it as a sidekick for barbers who move between stations. The height adjusts from 18.1 to 24 inches with a simple lever, and the 360-degree swivel with 5 wheels makes it glide smoothly across tile or hardwood. It's built with a chrome steel frame and a PU-covered seat filled with high-density sponge, so it's easy to clean after a long day. Over 400 sold in the past month shows it's popular even with 0 reviews, probably because it's so affordable. Here's why this matters for you. If you're running a small shop or working solo, this stool gives you mobility without breaking the bank. You can roll from client to client, adjust height on the fly, and it even has a footrest to ease lower back strain during long sessions. Now, some people might complain that it lacks lumbar support or feels flimsy, and honestly, it's not built for heavy daily use like a full chair, but for a backup seat or assistant stool, totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, budget-friendly rolling seat for support work or touch-ups. Skip this one if you're looking for a primary client chair.
Product number 2, Toady IDY Kids Booster Seat. Next, the Toady IDY Salon Booster Seat for kids at $32.99. This one's a game changer if you cut children's hair regularly. It's 18 by 13 inches with a 6.7-inch lift designed to raise kids to the perfect height so barbers don't have to hunch over. The PU leather cover is water-resistant and wipes clean, a must when dealing with squirming kids. It's filled with 45D high-density sponge that holds its shape, and the built-in lop guard protects your main chair from wear. Over 400 sold shows it's in demand, especially among family-friendly shops. Here's why this matters. Cutting kids' hair is tough on your back. This booster levels the child up to arm height so you're not bending down awkwardly. It also has a zipper for easy cleaning and a handle for portability, great for home use too. Some parents mention it takes 48 to 72 hours to fully expand after unboxing, which is annoying if you need it fast. But once it's ready, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of children's cuts or want to offer a more comfortable experience for young clients. Skip this if you only serve adults. It's niche but incredibly useful in the right setting. At $33, it's a small investment for big comfort gains.
Product number 3, BFTOU Swivel Stool with Back. Now, the BFTOU Black Square Swivel Stool at $46.78. This one steps it up with a backrest, something the HOUB lacks. It adjusts from 19.3 to 25.4 inches and holds up to 300 pounds, making it more stable for longer use. The faux leather seat and metal frame give it a professional look, and the 360-degree swivel with 5 wheels works great in tight spaces. It's popular in spas and tattoo shops too, with 300 plus sold recently. Here's why this matters. The backrest actually supports your lower spine during long cuts, which is huge if you're standing all day. The height range fits most standard counters, and the minimalist design blends into any shop. Some users say the base takes an extra 2 minutes to assemble. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. Still, for under $50, it's one of the best value stools with back support. This is perfect for you if you want to step up from a basic stool but aren't ready to invest in a full hydraulic chair. Skip
Product number 4, Funny Life Hydraulic Barber Chair. All right, now we're getting serious with the Funny Life Heavy Duty Hydraulic Barber Chair at $159.99. This is a real client chair, not a stool.
It has a heavy-duty hydraulic pump so you can adjust height from 20 to 26 inches with a foot pedal. The seat is 18.5 inches wide, covered in black PU leather, and sits on a solid chrome round base. It holds up to 400 pounds, which is impressive for the price. Only 100 plus sold, but that's expected at this tier. Here's why this matters. Hydraulic lift means smooth, quiet adjustments. No cranking or jerking. The wide seat and high back give clients real comfort, and the 360-degree swivel lets you position them easily. The PU material is easy to wipe down between clients, which is essential in a busy shop. Some reviewers mention the assembly instructions could be clearer, nothing a quick YouTube search won't fix. But once it's up, it feels sturdy. This is perfect for you if you're opening a new shop or upgrading from basic stools. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but honestly, for under $160, it's a solid entry-level hydraulic chair.
Product number 5. Outmaster Professional Salon Chair. Finally, the Outmaster Hairdresser Barber Chair at $207.99, the most premium on this list. It's built like a tank. Heavy-duty steel frame, 5-inch thick, high-density foam, and double-stitched PU leather. The hydraulic pump lifts smoothly, and the 20-inch square chrome base gives it insane stability. No wobbling even with heavier clients. It holds 330 pounds and rotates fully. Only 100 plus sold, but that's normal for higher-end gear. Here's why this matters. The square base distributes weight evenly so it doesn't tip or shift during cuts. The backrest supports natural spine curvature, and the footrest adds extra comfort. It's waterproof, easy to clean, and looks professional in any shop. Some say assembly takes time, but the instructions are clear if you follow them step by step. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, long-term investment for a busy barbershop. Skip this if you're just... So, which one's right for you? The Hubro stool is great for mobility on a budget. The Toady Booster solves a real problem with kids' cuts. The BFTOU adds back support without the price jump. The Funny Life gives you real hydraulic comfort under $160. And the Outmaster? That's for pros who want durability and stability. No single chair fits everyone. It depends on your shop, your clients, and